Hey, stupid! I'm talking to you. Listen, if you keep watching videos because you're bored, you'll never be able to have the things that you want. Now listen, I know some of you are pissed off. I started at the bottom with nothing, just like you, a lot of you. The reason why I have this is because one thing, my mindset. I've learned how to manifest the things that I want by using my mind in a very unique way. Look here, let's say billion. I gotta believe that I'm a billionaire right now, just like you gotta believe that you're rich, you gotta believe that you're successful, you gotta believe that you're prosperous right now, exactly where you are. I don't care if you have nothing, you have to believe it to your core. There are frequencies and there are sounds that will allow your mind to declutter. You can't get these fancy cars, you're not gonna be able to travel around the world with a cluttered mind. Let me help you in the link below to create and give you the sound that would allow you to picture through meditation everything that you want. Let's go! Let's go!